Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to find your UPS tracking number. So if you've misplaced your tracking number, just follow along. First, check the shipping confirmation email sent by the sender or by the UPS. The tracking number is usually included in the shipment confirmation, and you can also sign into your UPS account and view your shipment history. And if you created the shipment yourself, you can try checking your shipping receipt or printed label. And if someone else sent the package, then you can try asking them to provide the tracking number. And once you have it, you can use it to monitor your package from pickup through delivery. So that was how to find your UPS tracking number. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.